right now, all we're doing is putting the turkey on its little holder so that we can deep fry it. And what I've done is gone through the bottom hole and we have come out the neck hole. And it's on here, so we're going to try not to get it splashed on us or anything. And then here we are. We're just going to lift it up like that. Beautiful turkey.
Will you rub on that side as well?
We are. We're going to rub on this side as well so that it has a nice rub all over it. We've already injected 30 ounces of Creole butter. So it's ready to go. We're going to put it in the deep fryer for about an hour. Fry it up for about an hour. And we're going to enjoy.
Now, what have you done to prepare your pot? If you could walk us over there and show us.
We've had a little predicament with the pot. We filled it up with water, and as you'll see, it had 2 holes in it.
And it appears to be some sort of a patch.
Yeah, and so we've patched it with a bonding. It's a chemical reaction.
Some kind of a bonding agent.
Correct. You mix them together, and it makes like a cement. And we put that on there. So it's sitting right now for about 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go out.
Now, would that be toxic for the turkey, those eating the turkey?
Quite possibly, but with the high heat that we've got, that's a risk we're willing to take.
Okay. All right. Well, it looks like you got things wrapped up here. I'm going to go see what's going on in the rest of the house.
All right. Thanks.